Hello, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Mukaila, and I'm an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a sample data that's inbuilt into Power BI desktop that you can use to quickly start testing out how awesome Power BI could be. So, assuming you're a newbie, so just install Power BI desktop and you are eager to start going and start testing the features within Power BI. So, when you launch the Power BI for the first time, this is the look you're probably going to be seeing. So you're going to be saying this path. This part of it might not be there because these are just the reports I've worked with myself. But because this is the first time you'll be opening it on your system, you will not be seeing this. So I'm just going to close this here so we can go in. So now I'm in Power BI. I don't have a data or I don't even have an idea how it works, but I need to start doing some couple of things. I need to start building some report and see how awesome it is. So Power BI introduced what we call a try a sample data set here that contain a financial data that you can quickly use and start testing out what is into Power BI. As I said, it's just a sample data set, and with that, you can do a couple of things that you wish to do without having to think around how do you get your data and all this stuff. So to do that, just click on try sample data set. Once you click on try sample data set, it's going to bring this view for you. So just you see a button here called with the name load sample data. So just click on it. So once you click on that, it connects to the sample data and then brings to you the samples. So it gives you this sample which we call financial. Mind you, this financial and the sheet one is the same thing. Financials is just the table Power BI see within the sheet, and the sheet is the sheet itself within that it has. But if you see this, this is it's just an Excel file, so that's why it's showing this way. So we have sheet in Excel, and Power BI normally detects table within the data sources. So that's how this financial comes by. So I'm just going to check this, and then I can now do load. If I need to load it in and start working, if I need to transform, I can click on transform over. For this case, I'll just click on load. So once I click on load, it connects to that my data and then load it for me. So it's about 700 rows. So once I load that, you see I have my table here, financials, and I can start doing things around. For instance, if I say do donut chart, and I just extend this to everything, just click on this, and I say do country, and then do it by my profit, and boom, I start building my report from that. I can see how awesome this thing looks like. So this is how to use a sample data that is inbuilt into Power BI desktop. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more on analytics with Power BI and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.zacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to drop your comment below. Bye.